This is another as seen on TV product that I almost dropped. I couldn't decide which one to get, therefore I got both. The first one is the new Flawless Facial Hair Remover. Removes hair instantly and pain-free. It is discreet and has a built-in light. This one looks kind of like a lipstick. From what I can gather, it is for your mustache, or as my husband would call them, my Mr. Miyagi's. Basically, it is for a bigger, wider area of your face. This one is specifically for your brows because it is supposed to be more precise. It is the Finishing Touch Flawless Brows, and it removes hair instantly and pain-free. All right, I feel like we should just go into the bathroom, open these bad boys up, see what comes inside, and then see what the difference between the two are and if they work or don't work. All right, let's start by opening up the first one, the Flawless Facial Hair Remover. Here are the directions. It looks pretty easy to follow. This is really lightweight and it's kind of pretty. I like the white and the gold. It also is super discreet. It looks kind of like a lipstick. Install battery. Grab the upper section of the unit with one hand, the bottom half with the other, and pull apart. No freaking way. No way. Flawless, I am already gonna ding you for this. There is no battery inside. It says it is supposed to come with the battery. Obviously this was like a returned package or something. This is where the battery is supposed to be, and it did not come with a battery. I don't know if I'm gonna hold that against you, Flawless. I don't know if it's your fault or like Amazon's fault. What I'm going to do, which I was not planning on doing, is I am gonna open this one and take the battery out of this one and put it in there just for the sake of trying it out. I don't think that's the same kind of battery I need. I think I need a AA for this, and then this is a AAA. I am gonna go find a AA battery and put it in here. I am back. I'm gonna stick it in. I'm gonna pop this bugger back in. Turn unit on. Just slide the gold switch upward. Oh, I am so scared right now. Should I try it on my arm first? Okay. Ready, set, go. Oh my gosh. Wow, I am in shock. I don't think it pulls the hair out. I think it just shaves it down. I'm not sure. Does it pull it out? Whatever it does, it is definitely working. Can you tell I have a bald spot on my arm now? Cleaning. Let's see if there's actually hair inside. Twist the rotating hair removal head counterclockwise and lift off. I'm gonna lift this off. Oh, there. There's definitely hair inside. Then I think you just take the brush and you brush it out of here and you brush it out of there, and it's clean. Ooh. You're supposed to do it on your face, so that's what we will do. All right, I did one side and not the other, so I'm gonna come close up and you tell me if you could tell the difference. This is the side I just did, and then I did not do this side. Let's block this pimple out so you don't have to look at my pimple. This is the side I just did with the Flawless hair remover, and this is the side I did not do. I don't know if you can really see, but I definitely do still have hair here, and I don't think I see any hair here. And it was super easy. It also says it has a little light on it, which it does. The light is supposed to be for precision so that you can see what you're doing. The light is all the way down here. I don't think the light actually helps me. Hopefully the light is better placed on the other one so it will help me with my eyebrows. All right, so this one is already better because it comes with the battery, it comes with the eyebrow thingy, and it comes with the brush to clean it. It also comes with the directions. Again, the directions have pictures so that it is easy to follow. Yeah, see, this one's brand new. This one even has like the stickers and stuff on it. Pop the battery in. This one's AAA, not AA. Already, I like this one better because the light is at the very top of the thing, so I feel like the light is more useful than on the other one. Should I try my eyebrows now? I'm scared. Eyebrows are a big deal. This one is freaking awesome. I love how precise this is. It definitely was easy to like form my eyebrows and sculpt my eyebrows, and I don't know if I'm shaving my eyebrows or waxing them or what I'm doing, but whatever I'm doing is freaking awesome. And you can definitely tell the difference between the two eyebrows. I will come close up so you can see. It is like night and day between this one and this one. I feel like you can even use this on your mustache or around your face too. If it were me and I was deciding between the two, I would probably go with this one because this one is way more versatile. You can do your eyebrows, you can do your mustache, you can do sideburns or hairs down here or peach fuzz or whatever you have, and it is a lot more precise. All right, here are my final thoughts and my takeaways from trying out these two as seen on TV products. I think they are good. They do what they say they're going to do. I am actually impressed. They are completely painless. They do remove the hair. If it is shaving it, you can't even feel any stubble. Like, it is so smooth. I don't know if it's going below the skin or like right at the skin, but either way, it is pretty cool. I am also gonna leave a link to both of these if you wanna give either one of these a try in my description. And as always, don't forget to take the poll. Let me know which one of these you like better, or if you think both of them are a winner or a loser. And keep sending me products that you like and you want me to review for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.